The extended page keeps track of various information that we might need to know and is divided into two parts. First, we have Patricia's own extended name information area. Below this, we have the user extended information. Let's discuss the user extended name information first. This is an incredibly useful area. Here, you can add custom fields that are linked to names. Many times in an organization, you might need to store various bits of information that relate to a client. You have access to various fields that were pre-built into Patricia, but these might not be correct for the information you wish to record. The information you want to store may not apply to any of the existing fields. So how do we save this information then? We do this via the user extended name information area. Here, your super user can create these custom fields and the user can populate them as needed. Some examples. Let's say your organization had a requirement to know when clients were created. Your super user can then add a custom date field called name order date. Or perhaps you want to know who deals with this client within your organization. Then add a field here called person responsible. This can all be done in the user extended name information area. Next, we will look at the Patricia extended information area, which is where Patricia stores various field values. To access this, click on the area to highlight and click Edit. We won't delve too deeply into this area though, as most of these values are not commonly used. If you require more information on any of these fields, please see the Patricia help file. The first field, status, can be used if you want to have some sort of status marked against the name entry. This is mostly used in conversion processes, as is the old name number field. The next two fields, account manager patent and account manager trademark, allows you to define the person responsible for this name entry. In the line of business field, you can add type of business that this entity is involved in. The next field deals with how this name entry should be used on a case. You can enforce that this entry is only ever added as an applicant by ticking the tick box Connect Only as Applicant. The next setting allows you to do the opposite. You can ensure that this name entry is never added as an applicant by ticking Never Connect as Applicant. These two settings are useful if you choose to create applicants separately in your system and you want to enforce that the correct name number is used in your cases. If these are set, an error message will appear when a user violates these rules when adding a party on a case. Lastly, the legal status field is where you define the legal status of an entity, for example, a corporation of the state of Delaware. So, to end, keep in mind that all of these fields can be used as letter codes in your template documents.